Introduce highlight features and features you looking for and fast overview on SEALIGHT 5202 LED fog light bulbs, 5000 lumens 12-watt high power 6000K Xenon white 300% brightness. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. SEALIGHT H11 LED fog light bulb of total 12 pieces of high-power LED chips 1919, 6000K cool white, 300% brighter than stock halogen, gives you unprecedented brightness. 1:1 design with halogen bulb, non-polarity, no need more modification or flip, you can easy install within 5 minutes. Thinner light tube 3.5mm. 360-degree lighting, there are no dark spots or shadowed areas. Like fog, rain, overcast and other bad weather, provide you extended vision and a safer driving experience. Built-in intelligent IC driver and advanced aluminum material offers efficient heat dissipation, high light output and less power consumption, lifespan over 50,000 hours. Fog light or daytime running light only, no high or low beam functions. Not suited for headlights. If you're new here, don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.